Welcome to our video on the top 10 foods to avoid feeding your dog. While sharing food can be tempting, it's important to know that certain foods can be harmful and even toxic to dogs. In this video, we'll explore the foods that you should never feed to your furry friend, as well as the potential risks and health complications they can cause. Let's get started. Our first food to avoid feeding your dog is chocolate. Chocolate contains theobromine, a compound that can be toxic to dogs. Even small amounts of chocolate can lead to symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, increased heart rate, and in severe cases, tremors and seizures. Remember to keep all chocolate products out of your dog's reach. Next on the list are grapes and raisins. These seemingly harmless fruits can actually cause kidney failure in dogs. The exact toxic substance is still unknown, but it's best to avoid feeding any grapes or raisins to your dog. Symptoms of grape or raisin toxicity include vomiting, lethargy, and decreased appetite. If your dog accidentally consumes any, contact your veterinarian immediately. Both onions and garlic belong to the allium family, which can be toxic to dogs. These foods contain compounds that can damage red blood cells and cause anemia. Symptoms of onion or garlic toxicity include weakness, pale gums, and increased heart rate. Make sure to keep all onion and garlic products away from your dog's food and avoid sharing dishes seasoned with these ingredients. Xylitol is an artificial sweetener found in many sugar-free products like gum, candy, and even peanut butter. While it is harmless to humans, xylitol can be extremely toxic to dogs. Ingesting xylitol can cause a sudden release of insulin, leading to low blood sugar levels and potential liver failure. Always check the ingredient labels and never give your dog anything containing xylitol. Avocado contains a substance called persin, which can be toxic to dogs in large quantities. While the flesh of the avocado is not extremely dangerous, its pit, skin, and leaves should never be ingested by dogs. The consumption of these parts may result in symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, and difficulty breathing. Keep avocado away from your dog's reach. Alcohol is highly toxic to dogs and can lead to serious health complications. Even small amounts of alcohol can cause symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, difficulty breathing, and even coma or death. Ensure that all alcoholic beverages are stored securely and never let your dog consume any, even accidentally. Coffee and other caffeinated products can have a similar effect on dogs as they do on humans. Caffeine can stimulate the central nervous system and lead to restlessness, increased heart rate, tremors, and, in severe cases, seizures. Make sure to keep all coffee, tea, and caffeinated items out of your dog's reach. Feeding your dog raw or undercooked meat and eggs can put them at risk of bacterial infections, such as Salmonella or E. coli. These bacteria can cause severe digestive issues, including vomiting and diarrhea. Ensure that all meat and eggs are cooked thoroughly before giving them to your dog. While many dogs enjoy the taste of dairy products, they can be difficult for them to digest properly. Some dogs are lactose intolerant and consuming dairy can cause digestive upset, leading to symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea. If you want to give your dog a dairy treat, opt for lactose-free alternatives. That wraps up our list of the top 10 foods to avoid feeding your dog. Protect their health and well-being by staying away from chocolate, grapes and raisins, onions and garlic, xylitol, avocado, alcohol, coffee and caffeine, raw meat and eggs, and dairy products. Remember, always consult with your veterinarian if you suspect your dog has ingested something toxic. Thank you for watching.